Now let's add pivot timeline. Click anywhere in your pivot table. Go to pivot table analyze. Go to insert timeline. Now what is pivot timeline? Pivot timeline helps you to analyze your pivot table data in different snapshot of time. I have data right from January 2018 till December 2019. So let's see how pivot timeline works. Let's click months. In pivot timeline, you can see the slider which helps you to move along the pivot timeline. You also have a drop down menu here which helps you to select the time frame you want to showcase your data in. Here it's chosen as months. If I click years, I'll have data from 2018. When I click 2018, when I click 2019, it is showing data from 2019. Let's go to months again. Now I have data for all the months in 2018 and 2019. So when I click January, it shows me the data of January, Feb, March, and it also has the same settings just like Slicer. If you want to select more than 1 month, shift right arrow, and now I have selected Feb, March, and April. So it's showing me the data for Feb, March, and April. So this was pivot timeline. In next video, I'll be showing you how I put up that table like this one, how I made it dynamic, and how I put up this donut chart.